Welcome to IC Markets. In this video, we will walk you through how to log into your live account on cTrader Android. Download the cTrader app and you can trade live. To log into your live account, simply open the IC Markets cTrader app on your Android smartphone. You will be taken to the login screen. Log in with the email address you used to register with IC Markets and the password you set during registration. The checkbox of Keep Me Logged In comes pre-checked. This means you'll remain logged into this device until you manually log out, so ensure that you're using a private device. If you're not, simply tap the checkbox to uncheck it. Tap on the green login button if all your details are correct. You'll be taken to the Quotes tab where you can view live quotations to begin trading instantly. Once you've logged into your live account, you can deposit money. It's convenient with so many funding options, including credit or debit card, wire transfer, and many more options. For further information, please visit our website or contact our support team. Thank you for choosing IC Markets.